keha nahi jane iha apane se jane ulasita vishambara nache tatakshane. No one other than Srivas knew about this. Then Vishwambara began to dance in ecstasy. Ulas nach. Prabhubale ebe chitte vasi iye ulas hasya kirtana kare pandita Srivas. Vishwambara said, now I am feeling joyful at heart. Srivas Pandit, upon hearing this, smiled and joined the kirtan of Lord Vishwambara. Inclination, purport by Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. There is no possibility of feeling ecstatic love in the association of worldly people. Yet inclination towards Krishna's service is not much enhanced simply by driving out materialistic persons. Inclination toward the service of the Lord is naturally enhanced by the influence of association with persons who are in the same line and have the same taste. Realizing Mahaprabhu's anxiety had diminished, Srivas Pandit began to perform kirtan in ecstasy. Symptoms of happiness were also seen in the faces of the Lord's devotees. Mahanande hoila kirtan kolahala hasya padaye sava Vaishnava mandala. So now it's the Vaishnava mandala. Bhagavat Gan, Bhakta Gan, Vaishnava mandala. In ecstasy, the tumultuous kirtan of the Vaishnavas, in the ecstasy of the tumultuous kirtan, the Vaishnavas laughed and fell to the ground. Kirtan kolahala. Kolahala means they were shouting in the kirtan. Kolahala. Mahanande, they were feeling a topmost maha bliss, most the highest happiness. Hasya, they were laughing, and Padiya Sabha, they were all falling and rolling on the ground. Nritya kare Gaura Singha Mahakutuhali Darya Bulena Nityananda Mahabali. The lion like Gaura Singha. Gaura Singha danced in jubilation, and the most powerful Nityananda stretched his arms out to protect the Lord from falling. Nityananda Mahabali, very powerful arms, and Bulena means his arms. Mahakutuli, he was dancing in great bliss. Chaitanyara Lila Keva Deki Bari Pari Se Deki Jare Prabhu Dena Adhikari. Who can see the pastimes of Lord Chaitanya? Only one who is favored by the Lord can see. He mata pratidina Hari Sankirtan Gaura Chandra Kare Nahi Deke Sarvajan. In this way, Gaura Chandra daily performed kirtan, hidden from the view of the general public. Hare Kadina Prabhu Nachite Na Payulasa Prabhu Chahe Chari Bite. On another day, when the Lord did not feel happiness while dancing, he looked all around. Prabhu Bali, Aji Kene, Sukanahipai, Kiva Parara Hayache Karatani. Vishwambara said, why am I not feeling any happiness today? Have I offended anyone? So this seems to drive home the point we were making, that there's some connection between aparad and unhappiness. If I make an aparad, I will be unhappy. If you make an aparad, you will be unhappy. If we make an aparad, if either one of us makes an aparad, Krishna, Bhagavan will be unhappy, Radharani will be unhappy. And if Krishna makes an aparad, he'll be unhappy. Vishwambara is saying, I'm unhappy, I must have made an aparad. Of course it's impossible, but for Bhagavan to make an aparad. But he's saying like that. Why am I not feeling happiness today? Have I offended anyone? Sabhave Chaitanya Bhakta Acharya Gosai Chaitanya Radasya Bai Arabhavanai. Advaita Acharya was by nature a devotee of Lord Chaitanya. Chaitanya Bhakta Acharya Gosai Sobhav. That was his Sobhav, that was his nature to be a Chaitanya Bhakta. He had no other desire, arabhav nahi. It says desire, but literally means bhav. Bhav means feeling, attitude, emotion. Ara bhava nai. No other bhav, no other feeling but the feeling of being Chaitanya Das. Here it said he had no other desire than the service of Lord Chaitanya, which is also correct, but it's really stretching the words a little bit. You could say he had no other bhav, but the bhav of feeling, he had no other feeling in his heart or mind that I am the eternal servant of Lord Chaitanya. Different ways of saying the same thing.